Rock, take a look at this video. The image jumps, then it moves, jumps, then it moves, jumps, jumps, jumps. If it was showing new images every 1 second, because it's set in x64 sense up, wouldn't you just see the jump and not see cloud movement in between? Or is it changing exposures up to 1 second, but sometimes having shorter exposures in between? Yeah, that's really weird how it jumps and then it starts moving a little bit. Then it jumps and it starts moving again. It's like it's not either moving or jumping, it's a combination of both. Very strange.